No premiere smells. A she cause a don't rush thing for thing. So guys, we did a whole makeup for it to go to it. She hurt. She paid.
Watch that from the boy.
You see the two that pop out just now? Stop bossing now.
In the house and Crystal.
Hey,
hi.
Hey guys.
Did you hear what she was saying? Big V.
I said V. Let's go.
So today we are going to be doing the spicy noodle challenge. We didn't have the 2 times spicy noodle, but we added some jerk sauce and some, what was it? Extra hot chili and some chili flakes and so forth.
It is hot.
So we're just gonna get right into it because it's cold. Cheers, guys. Right. Let's see who's gonna get down to this.
I'm not a fan.
Bro, I'm half trained, so y'all know me and Pepper is like best friends.
I love Pepper too, guys. So
I hate it.
This is hot as fuck.
Trust me. I hate it. I'm just struggling over there. I hate pepper. Anything to do with pepper, I hate it. My mouth is burning me. I cannot get down to this. Ooh.
I do it. I need to go. Wait. We have to see who's gonna finish first.
Do we have to drink the water after, or we can drink it in between?
And you can drink it in between. Okay, cool. And let's see who's gonna finish it first. Put that all out in your mouth.
Oh, yeah. Because I need to finish it
Not
first.
on me. What? Why when you say bowl all the way down there and she started last?
Guys, I'm just gonna eat. However, okay? I hate spicy food so much.
I'm not gonna lie, this is really hard. Friggin' hell.
You know. Ooh. Ooh. I forfeit.
You have to eat all the noodles.
I forfeit.
You have to eat all the
I
noodles.
can't.
You can do it.
I can't.
You really won't.
Do like this.
Yum. Shit, Crystal is almost done. Crystal is almost finished.
Let me see. Let me see.
Look at mine. Crystal is almost finished.
I'm used to pepper, but just not this hot, but still.
Guys, I can't.
What a waste.
What a wuss.
What a wuss. I'm out.
Oh my god.
I can't.
Eat 1 more spoon.
No, you know, I think I can do it. I just need more water. This is why, if I was to do a YouTube channel, right, I would not have any views. Because these challenges, I would just not do. Crazy challenges, man.
But you can do other challenges.
YouTube.
Oh, man, you
Not
put
for
that in your
me.
mouth, Jack. Put that in your mouth.
Thank you guys.
Put it in your mouth.
Eat. I'm helping you.
You need to help yourself.
I can't help myself. I already helped myself. I forfeit. I'm out. You need. You're dying. You're dying to the point.
Finish.
You finished?
I'm just trying to get some. Or just I have one more spoon. But I'm not rushing because you guys still have a lot.
No, we waiting here.
Come on.
Just swallow it.
I'm finished, guys. I'm done.
Don't drink with it in your mouth. Just swallow it.
You're cheating if you drink with it in your mouth.
Shut up, man.
Ooh, that's a whole lot of pepper. Take your time.
A whole lot.
There's no need to rush.
I'm rushing, man.
Come on, home, guys.
Ew, look what she did to my hand. She must have spit so many times. I'm gonna find it because she had me a dead laugh. You finished?
Seriously. I'm not gonna eat that. I'm gonna eat that. Look at something else over there. Guys, she is not allowed to speak. Okay. Look at this. Anyway, guys, so this is a spicy noodles challenge gone
Wrong.
Hey guys, thank you so very much for watching that video. Again, it's spicy noodles challenge gone wrong. Say bye, guys. She was a winner. Let's go look at the sore loser now.
I was the second. I came second, guys.
And she spat all over everyone, so that was just like, thank you so very much for watching. See you next time.